Hello there. We are going to discuss answer to the questions that are asked in GATE 2007 with respect to analog circuits. These are the questions. These are the questions that are asked in 2007 with respect to analog circuits. We will discuss solution detail one by one. First, let's go to question number 11. Here it is asked to identify the full wave rectifier among the four possible options. To find out the solution, we have to remember three things. First thing is, when the diode is forward biased, that is its anode is applied with some positive voltage and its cathode is applied with some negative voltage. That is, when it is forward biased, then it will be acting as a short circuit. It will allow the current to flow through it. And the next thing is the reverse bias condition, that when the anode is negative bias and when the cathode is positively biased, in that case it will be act as an open circuit. So simply it will be in off state. And the third thing is with respect to the bridge rectifier. With respect to the bridge rectifier, its two diagonal opposite diode will be in forward bias. Out of the four diodes, two diagonal opposite diodes will be in forward bias and other two diodes will be in reverse bias conditions. So these are the 3 points that we have to remember while solving the questions. Now we will see one by one. Coming to option A, for positive half cycle, this diode will be in reverse bias conditions, and this diode will be in forward bias conditions. So it will allow the current to pass through it. Now suppose a load resistance is connected across the output. Now if you see this diode will provide low conductance path rather than the output load. So the current will flow through this diode. As a result, there will be no current through the output. Hence, it cannot be a bridge rectifier. So option is not correct. Now coming to option B. During the positive half cycle, if you see, the positive terminal is applied to the cathode of this diode and this diode. So both these diode will be in reverse bias conditions. That means both the diode will be in off state. So this cannot be a full wave rectifier. Now if you come to option D, during positive half cycle, again if you see, both the diode will be in reverse bias conditions, so both will be off. So by option elimination you can find the option C, or else you can analyze it by having positive half cycle. If you see, one diode will be in off state and this diode will be in conduction. Now if you see, here it will face two different paths. One is this one, another is this one. This one will be obviously reverse bias, so this will be reverse bias and the current will allow to flow through the load resistor, and it will flow through this path, this path. So again this will be in conduction, and the current will go like this and it will circulate. Similarly you can analyze for the negative half cycle. So this is the case of the full wave rectifier. This is the perfect option. So C is the answer. Thank you.